Jamaica tops the World Homicide Report for 2022.
April TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pop?
Yeah, greetings and salutations to all nations, especially my Jamaicans. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier here on UNODC TV. Yeah, thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Hit that red subscribe button. That's how you build up the Rastaman panel. Jamaica topped the homicide rate worldwide in 2022. We are 2024 now. I want to come out with this report. A recent compilation highlight the top 10 nations with the highest homicide rate per 1,000 inhabitants, utilizing figures from the UNODC. Leading the list, Jamaica, followed by St. Vincent, is second place with Trinidad and Tobago, St. Lucia, and Honduras. Rounding out the top 5, the island then get crossed to Ross. The list continue with South Africa in 6th position, Bahamas in 7th, St. Kitts and Nevis in 8th, Belize in 9th, and Ecuador complete in the top 10. Notably, United States occupied the 42nd spot in this ranking. Ladies and gentlemen, these statistics pertain to the year of 2022, but were publicly released by VoronoiApp.com. That's VORONOIAP.com. March 24, 2024. Why then take so long? The island them on fire. Additionally, in the light of these figures, the United States issued a travel advisory for Jamaica on January 23, 2024, but in now work. More people flying to yard. The advisory placed Jamaica at a level 3 warning, advising U.S. citizens to reconsider travel plan to the island due to safety concern, a primary responsibility of the United Nations Office Drug and Crime is the generation and dissemination of reliable statistics on drugs and crime on the global scale. The organization is also dedicated to bolstering the capacity of nations to comply, distribute, and utilize drugs and crime data within the ambit of their official statistic. This data serves as a critical tool for nation and individual alike, emphasizing the importance of being informed about the safety dynamics of different countries. Ladies and gentlemen, uno hear what a guan, pan what a guan. The boy them a try smear me island, them say we a drop most body in the lawn. Imagine place like Chicago, what them call Chirac, place like Memphis, a lie them a tell about my beautiful island of Jamaica. But listen, the man them a calling people a yard wickedly, wicked. The top homicide place in the world 2022 was Jamaica. Tell a lot of little boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if this statistic is far-fetched. Let me know if too much people in Jamaica are face a sudden death, an untimely death. You hear what's going on. 2022, in the middle of the pandemic, they know where to find you because them have a curfew. Them just gonna wet you up. Are you yard? Ladies and gentlemen, it is real hard for no say some of people are dead abroad. Look pan over in Russia, in Ukraine. Look pan people in Israel and Palestine. Uno take people for fool. How Jamaica are go reach them levels there? Uno a drop bomb and all kind of bullets and all kind of drones that strike people. Over 500,000 Ukrainian dead. Over 32,000 Palestinian dead. How uno go say Jamaica acting people like them people here? Uno take man for fall. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. People still are flying at Jamaica upon record number. More life, more joy, more happiness. Fire upon your lies, pan Babylon. A lie them a tell. Listen, a lie them a tell.
Yeah, man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah, man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots.
Lie them a tell.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep Roots flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon, the fire burn no longer. Babylon, Deep Roots, well I say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Boy, fire key, Rastafari soldier real fire key. Yeah, Balalang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.